friends, welcome back to my channel. So for today I will be doing a review on this company called Deminuage. It is a Deminuage QuickPore technology nano pen that they have sent over to me. So I know you guys are so used to me doing hair care videos, hair care routines, but I am a type of person that I love to also take care of my skin. If you're going to take care of your hair, you have to take care of your skin too, right? So this will be a different video, but it's also a skin care routine as well. So if you are interested, stay tuned. So this is a Deminuage's Quick Pour Kit I have received to review. It is an innovating skincare line through nanotechnology. Deminuage's mission is to help improve all skin types right in the comfort of our home. So in this kit includes instructions on how to use a NanoPen and serums properly. Further into the kit, you will see these nano daily chips and booster chips that are designed to penetrate the serum deeply into our skin for effective results, which I love. Also in the kit, there are these 5 serums you can also apply to your skin and use as part of your daily routine. And along with that, you'll see these moisturizing masks that comes with instructions as well on how to use it and apply it. I'm taking each of these products out so you can see what's in the kit and everything that comes along with this QuickPore Nano Pen. Okay guys, so this is the Deminuage's QuickPore Nano Pen, and it's battery powered, and what that means is that it is operated by a battery. So it does come with a battery as well, so that all you have to do is just untwist the bottom part of the Nano Pen, and you'll see where you can just press the battery onto the pen and then twist that end piece back onto the Nano Pen, and then there's a bottom piece onto the Nano Pen that you just press and boom, there you go. So this is an up close look on how the nano chip actually looks, and what you do is attach the nano chip onto the QuickPore pen and twist it like so you're able to use it properly. So based on the website, it says that the nano chip is powered by a grid of microscopic nanotips that are almost invisible to the naked eye and supposed to be painless. So they say. I'm just kidding. But it allows up to 10 to 20 times better absorption in any serums that you're applying for your skin, which is awesome. It's very interesting to learn about this because I've never heard of microneedling up till now. I know that this pen is an alternative version of microneedling, but to learn about this and how to improve your skin and what it does for the skin is very awesome to me. So I forgot to show you guys how it actually looks without putting this spongy part on. So it comes like this, and then you just snap off this part and then press this on. So once you do that, so for me, I've seen a lot of videos where I'm just gonna work in sections, and as you can see, my face is already cleansed, freshly washed face. So I've seen a lot of videos where they work in sections, so that's what I'm going to do and focus on the spots that are needed the most with dark spots, acne, and blemishes. So up in here, as you can see, I'm just gonna take it and it dries like so. I don't want to get too much, but I'm gonna put it focus there. And then as you can see, this is what it sounds like. And then those little fine needles there does the magic. As you can see here in the video, I'm focusing the NanoPen onto the spots that are needed. So if you look at my face up close, you can see the little acne scars, and you can also see the dark spots in my face. So that's the areas where I'm focusing the NanoPen, because it's supposed to rejuvenate your face, improve the elasticity in your skin, and to give your face a glow and to repair any blemishes or dark spots or acne scars that you do have on your face. So I'm so happy to actually have something like this to help with certain spots that I am kind of insecure about on my face. Okay guys, so this is my face after using the NanoPen, as you've seen in the previous clips. So I actually was skeptical of using this at first because my skin is very sensitive. There's a lot of products that I do not use, and when I do find something that is helpful for my skin or doesn't break me out or give me any irritation, I just stick to that product. So luckily, I have not felt any irritation so far. This is my first time showing you guys and doing it myself. So I was a little skeptical, but I know that is actually really good, because usually when I put something on my face and it doesn't work instantly, you will see red spots on my face. So I actually think this is sensitive for sensitive skin. So this was actually perfect. And if you are looking to use this as well and you're interested, their website will be in my description below. I think it's really good for sensitive skin and anyone that's looking to improve their blemishes or any dark spots on their face. So I will actually give an update on this in 2 or 3 weeks, just so that you guys can see how it is working for me and sensitive skin like myself. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick little review or tutorial how this actually works. And like I said, I will give a review in 2 weeks to see an update on my face. So as you can see, as of now, you already seen that I applied everything and used the pen. You still see this on my face here, here, here. So in 2 weeks, you'll see if it actually does work. So yes, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and share my videos.